Dear valued audience, I would like to express my gratitude for joining me in this moment of manifestation. Today, I have an important message to share with you. Have you recently experienced a situation where someone you desire has cut off full contact with you? Perhaps they are ignoring your attempts to communicate, or even blocked you from their life. You have tried every method to get their attention, but it seems that nothing works. You feel powerless and lost. However, I am here to tell you that you do not have to accept this situation. You have the ability to shift the dynamic and make them chase after you. In this video, I will provide you with effective strategies to turn the tables and reignite the spark between you and your desired person. I guarantee that the insights I will share with you today will transform your life. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. Have you ever felt annoyed by someone you want, ignoring you or avoiding you? Maybe you have even seen that they have read your messages, but they still refuse to respond. It is natural to feel upset and focus all your attention on this situation. But it is important to remember that this can actually create more of the same negative energy. You see, as Neville Goddard says, you are constantly creating your reality based on what you believe to be true. So if you believe that this person has gone no contact with you, then that is exactly what will manifest in your 3D reality. It is crucial to shift your mindset and beliefs in order to change the situation. It is understandable to feel as if the person you desire is going no contact with you, and this belief can create a reality where they truly are. However, it is crucial to avoid taking any actions in the reality that will only confirm and strengthen this negative belief. It is not helpful to constantly message or call them, show up at their home, or stalk their social media accounts. These actions only reinforce the belief that they don't want to talk to you or that you are not good enough for them. And as a result, you continue to create more of the same negative experience. The key is to stop coming from a place of lack and shift your focus to abundance. In this video, I will share with you powerful techniques to transform your thoughts and beliefs so that you can attract the love, attention, and happiness that you deserve. It's essential to avoid giving it your full attention and energy. By acknowledging the reality of the situation but not taking it too seriously, you can begin to shift your focus and start creating a new reality. Remember, the no-contact situation is only an appearance, nothing more. It is a result of an old story that you have been telling yourself, and it is not your story anymore. Instead, focus on convincing yourself of the truth of the reality you want to create. Use the power of your thoughts and beliefs to manifest the desire you want to see. According to Neville Goddard, all you have to do is convince yourself of the truth of the reality you desire to see manifested. So, if you want your specific person to contact you, imagine that it has already happened and convince yourself that it is true. In this video, I will guide you through practical techniques to help you shift your focus and create the reality you want to experience. It's natural to feel discouraged when someone you care about seems to be avoiding you or not responding to your messages. However, dwelling on this situation and trying to force a change through external means only amplifies the negative energy that brought it about in the first place. Instead, take a step back and remind yourself that the physical world is merely a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. By focusing on the reality you wish to experience, you can manifest it into existence. If you find yourself fixating on your specific person's lack of communication, it's time to pivot your attention to a new story. Rather than telling yourself that they don't want to talk to you, repeat affirmations that emphasize the opposite. They're eager to connect. They are thinking about you right now. They are finding creative ways to reach out to you. You can use visualization techniques to picture yourself receiving loving messages from them, feeling their embrace, and enjoying quality time together. By doing this consistently and feeling the emotions associated with these positive thoughts, you'll change the vibration you're putting out into the universe. If you believe in the reality of no contact, that is what you will create. Instead, if you want your specific person to contact you, you need to convince yourself that it is already happening. Imagine them reaching out to you through calls, texts, and social media, and doing so eagerly. Visualize it so clearly that you can see it in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions of excitement and anticipation that come with that contact. Neville says that the more you can convince yourself of this new story, the more likely it is to become your reality. With this newfound power, you can manifest the constant contact you desire and transform your current situation from no contact to regular contact with your specific person. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that the tips and strategies discussed in this video have been helpful in your manifestation journey. Remember, you have the power within you to create the reality that you desire. Stay focused on your desires, trust the universe, and know that everything is unfolding for your highest good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as always, keep manifesting.